In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace a hood strong arm. So this is the new strong arm, but it looks exactly like this. It's just kind of hard to see, so I want to show you on the new one. You've got this metal clip right here that locks it in. And if you turn it around, see those, they call them metal fingers. Those lock around the pivot ball, and that keeps that from coming undone. So to remove it, you take a nice pocket screwdriver, and you're going to go like that from the top here on that one, lift it up, just like that. Slide it up. See how now the fingers are missing? You're going to do that so you can pop it off. But you don't need to do that to install it. So let's put those back down. I'm going to take a pocket screwdriver. Now we make sure we have the hood support, because you have two strong arms. If they're both weak, the hood won't stay up. So use a prop rod or something to hold the hood open. And we're going to get down right in there on that metal tab, just like that. And I'm going to do the same up here. Just walk it right up. Now, with one hand holding the support in the hood, I'm just going to pop that right off. And the same on the bottom. Get that out of the way. Grab the new one. I'm going to install the bottom first. Oh, let's get that old tab out of there. Getting completely off. Push on this side. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.